Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, here to unbox an oldie but a goodie. Here we have Tamiya's 1/32 scale F-14A Tomcat Black Knights. I guess you could say this is in celebration of Top Gun Maverick's release, even though that was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. But regardless, let's check it out. Alright, here we are at the bench. One thing of note is this is a 2003 rebox of a 1980 kit. Yeah, I know, old. But you can never go wrong with Tamiya. As you can see, or maybe can't see, the kit allows you to construct this with a fully operating variable wing. It also includes plenty of armament options, 3 pilot and crew figures, which is always fun, and you get to choose between 5 different marking options. So let's open this big boy up. That there's the tool that allows you to position the wings in any form you want. Then we've got the bottom half of the midsection of the fuselage. Here you've got several pieces here, some fuel tanks, some missiles, some components of the engines, and I see pilots in there. So this is one of those kits that comes with rubber tires. I'm not really a fan, but it's your preference. There's also some screws in there, which no doubt are to hold the wing in place. They even give you a nice strong metal spar to make sure that wing is secure. So here are the jet engine nozzles, plus some bombs. This part is mostly the engine nacelles, plus the cockpit floor, and a few other bits. There's your front section of the fuselage. Your canopy, as well as some lights. And yes, this is one of those kits that has the seam line across the canopy, so have fun with that. Next, some more missiles. The pilots' disembodied heads. Must have been a terrible accident. This here is the top and bottom end of the midsection of the fuselage slash wing. A few more bits here. Looks like landing gear, the ground crew person, some landing gear doors, and other good stuff. Last sprue here, mainly rudders and missile pylons. If you're an experienced modeler, this is useless. Here's your instructions. Practically give you a book here. Tamiya kits tend to not be so difficult, even if they come with lots of parts like this one. I refuse to lick my thumb to turn the page. There's your marking options in the back. And lastly here is our decal sheet. Try and get that out of the way. Okay, I can't get it out of the way. Basically your US Navy insignias, stencils, some nose art or tail art, and the whole walk here, don't walk there stencils. I don't know what that is. And that's all we've got, right? Right. Okay, so in conclusion, another good offering from Tamiya. It may have some of its challenges, like for instance the canopy seam, and you may come across some minor flash here and there. But other than that, I highly recommend it. It is a big kit, so if you have the space or you feel the need, you can pick yours up at Sunward Hobbies, in store or online. So until the next one, adios.